So first you'll go to Duolingo.com. Then once you're there, you're going to hit this green Get Started button, and you're going to choose Spanish. For our purposes here, you're going to choose School. Hit Continue. You don't have to let it send you notifications. If you want to, you can. You're going to choose Regular. And then you're going to hit Continue with Google. And after that, you're going to select your account from the school. So now, you can choose what you feel most comfortable with. Probably learning Spanish for the first time. Maybe already know some Spanish, depends on how you feel in Spanish class. If you check your level here and it just doesn't work out, it'll probably just bump you to the lowest level, which is fine. I'm going to choose that one for now. And then it gives you practice things right away. So you go through these practices. And it tells you how to say the words. And then, you can't see it in my frame here. There's a green check button right here that I can check me in. And I just keep going through the guided practice. So eventually, once you go through the exercises, you'll get notifications about like hitting your daily goal. We're not going to worry too much about the daily goal or the streaks. Oh, I got a gift. Cool. Don't need the gift either, but gifts are nice. See right here, it's going to ask me to pay for it. Don't sign up for this. You can use Duolingo for free. Don't even try to make a paid account. Just hit no thanks. Whenever it asks you for that, just keep hitting no thanks. This is the part we need. So for this week, you need to get through this intro level and fill in your little circle till it hits the crown. And then the phrases level until you hit the crown. So now I spent about maybe 10 minutes practicing, and I already have these first two done. And that's all you need. So this right here is what you're going to take a screenshot of and submit.